Alright, y'all, welcome back. Boy Guy with a camera here. Today we're gonna go ahead and change out our lights out here, those two lights on the garage, and we're gonna go ahead and change them out with these Lintem smart LED wall scone lights. I think it's gonna be a nice upgrade. I think we're gonna get a lot of power out of here, a lot of light, and they're gonna be festive. So that's what we like around here, nice festive LED lights. So I'm going to go ahead and get started removing this lamp. I'm going to put the other one back on and check it out. Okay, so I go ahead and I got my light off, and now, as you guys know, every light is going to be a little bit different, but the basic concept of the wiring is always going to be the same, right? So you got your 3 lines, and before you go ahead and do any of this, I want you to go to your circuit panel and make sure these lights do not have any power to them. I already turned off my circuit breaker, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this up right here, taking this out. Pull this line down. I'm going to wire it back up to, right here. Just match up the colors, super simple, and then put the light back on. Alright, y'all, so what I'm going to do is a real quick unboxing. My garage is a mess from Christmas. I still got stuff everywhere, so we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'll just show you guys what's in the box. Obviously, you already seen the light, so let's just go ahead and open this up and check it out for you. Maybe. Yeah, okay, we got it. Alright, so first off, you get your instruction booklet and you get your QR code for the app, right? So we already did that. And these things are really nicely packaged. Nice styrofoam, and here's the light, just like I showed you guys outside. Like I said, guys, they're heavy duty, right? Nice steel case. You got your nice light in there. Really nice lights. I like these. And, there's the wires. I already showed you guys that outside. And then that is about it. Yeah, so that's it in the box, right? So the box is empty. And then I'll just show you on the back of this light right here. Inside here is the bracket, the screws, and the wire nuts. So it comes with everything you need. Just like I said, match up the wires. Use your wire ties. And then that's it. So we're going to go outside. It's nighttime now, so I'm going to show you what they look like. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we're back. It's nighttime. You can see I got the lights set up. They're in place. They're looking pretty good. They are bright. There's definitely a difference in the lighting between my old lights and these. And here we go. I got the little Lintem app, and I can turn the light off, turn it back on. You have warm, neutral, and cool. We're gonna go back to warm. My wife likes the warm, right? So then you got all these different scenes that you can set it to. So you could just do, click through them all, go through it just like that, and keep changing the lights. So that's kind of cool. You can do music mode. I'm gonna go ahead and go into hip hop, and all as we're speaking, you're gonna have a dance party outside your house just like that. Super simple. It's awesome. I'm definitely impressed with these lights. You can go through the different music genres right here, and you can have them custom, whatever you want. You can also do any color you want, right? So you can go through all the different colors. You can just spin the wheel. You can do just about anything just like that. Really cool. One of the best features I like is the automatic timer. So I'm going to have these come on and off when I want them to come on and off. So overall, guys, it's a great product. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I like it. It's nice and sturdy. It's got the tempered glass. It's aluminum, solid aluminum frame, and they look really nice. I'm definitely impressed with them, as you guys can see. So on my next setup for a holiday or something, I'll have these lights blasting away. And like I said, I'm super impressed with them. They give off plenty enough light out here. It's dark out, so they're definitely giving me plenty enough light out here. And that's it, guys. So once again, I want to go ahead and give them a shout out for sending me these lights. And like I said, I'm super impressed, and I hope you guys liked the video. Give me some thumbs up, drop some comments, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and as always, I hope everybody's staying safe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.